A warm welcome. Welcome back to Passageway. I am your host, Kim Cabaron. In today's episode, we'll be talking about being one with God, yet often unaware of His presence. Jesus Christ did not come merely to bring us to God, He came to bring us back into union with Him. If you read John 17, Jesus prays something astonishing that they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they also may be one in us. This is the will of the Father, not distance, nor separation, no religion without relationship, but oneness with His children. God has always desired oneness with us, from the garden to the tabernacle to the cross to the Spirit that dwells within us. The story of Scripture is God is indeed living inside of us. In 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 16 it says, "Do you not know that you are the temple of God and that the Spirit of God dwells in you?" And so why do we live as though He is far away from us? Not because God withdraws, but because we ignore Him. We fill our lives with noise. We rush, we strive, and worry, and plan according to our will, not His will. And sadly, we continue to rebel against the very Spirit of God that gives us life. The sin we have been committed becomes a barrier that we can no longer recognize His presence. We are united with God, yet often unaware of His presence because of that very sin that we keep on doing. We consult our fears before we consult our Father who lives in us. Like children in the same house who never stop to speak to their parent, who live surrounded by His love but distracted by lesser things. Oneness does not eliminate choice. God's desire is union, but love never forces itself. We can be one with God and still ignore His voice, resist His leading, trust ourselves more than Him. That's why Jesus says, "Abide in me." The tragedy is not that God is distant. The tragedy is that we live as though He is far away from us. But the invitation remains. Every moment is an open door back to awareness. Every prayer is a return to alignment with Him. Every act of surrender is a reminder that we are not alone. The Father's will has always been clear that we would be one with Him, not someday, not after we fix ourselves, but now. When we stop ignoring Him and start acknowledging Him, we discover He has been present all along. We are one with Him. And when we remember that, life changes from striving to abiding. A blessed day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.